Let's talk market. Let's talk about the fastest growing segment in this country, U.S. Hispanics. They're a force to be reckoned with, and they're here to stay. And let's not forget about that standout group of caballeros, leaving their mark in 1,000 different ways across the country. For this group, substance, style, and masculinity are not choices. They are innate qualities. These gentlemen truly live by their gallantry, but they live in today's world with today's high standards. They're as likely to consume vodka as their GM counterpart, but their vodka of choice must possess certain values: craft, style, and substance. It must be the best. No wonder we're beating the competition. This upcoming year, the gentlemen will step up again. We saw them in a series of remarkable adventures. We mingled with Latin flair and took it to the next level. We saw old friends and met new ones. We wrote new stories and blazed new trails. We brought them to you cara a cara, front and center, and showed you how it's done. But there's still more to be seen, more to be done, and we can look to the future and play it up bold and bright. With passion and gusto, we'll redefine centuries of tradition. Gentlemen, this is vodka.